This is a simple eggplant slice, but it makes an amazingly delicious side dish. It tastes better than meat. First, thinly slice eggplant like this. Next, let's make special sauce for eggplant. Prepare a small pot. Before heating, put grated garlic, grated ginger, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, gochujang, Dashi granules. I use Hondashi. Bring to a boil and mix well. Please add red pepper and sesame seeds as you like. Transfer to the container. Next, let's fry eggplant. Oil the pan. Fry the slices until soft. Now all you have to do is soak this eggplant in the sauce. You can eat this immediately after cooking, or you can store it in the fridge to let the flavors soak in before eating. Keep in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. It tastes the best when eating with rice, so if you put it in a lunchbox, put the eggplant on top of the white rice. This is like perfect grilled meat. Next, I want to share eggplant with sweet soy sauce chicken. You can make it not only for lunchbox, but your dinner. First, cut chicken into bite size. Season it with grated ginger, sake, and soy sauce. While allowing the flavors to soak in, let's prepare vegetables. Cut eggplant, and bell pepper. Please add your favorite vegetable. Then fry or deep fry the vegetables. If you want to make it healthier, reduce the amount of oil. Next, coat the chicken with potato starch. And deep fry it in oil. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Finally, I make sweet soy sauce. Put sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Bring to a boil. Add chicken and vegetables and toss with sauce. Let me share other flavorful side dish using eggplant and chicken. First, let's cut eggplant. And fry it in a pan. Remove it from the pan. Cut chicken into bite size. Sprinkle salt and pepper. This time, let's just fry the chicken in pan. Cook the chicken skin to a crisp. I didn't put oil, but please add oil as you like. Next, I make honey mustard sauce. Mix grain mustard, honey, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. When chicken is done, wipe off excess oil. Put fried eggplant and sauce. The last dish is healthy eggplant pizza. Cut eggplant in half. Take out pulp. If it's too large, please cut it into small pieces. Slice bacon. And stir-fry eggplant and bacon. Add a little oil as needed. Season it with miso and mirin, put the mixture into eggplant bowl. Put shredded cheese, and mayonnaise. Bake it until eggplant skin gets soft. The eggplant skin is softened by slow roasting, making it very tasty.